Welcome to the Spaulding Injury Law website. I'm Theodore Spaulding. I'm the managing partner and founder of the firm. We are Atlanta dog bite lawyers. This is a large area of our practice. Quite frankly, unfortunately, dog bites, dog attacks, we see a number of these cases, and they can be severe. The injuries are often very, very unfortunate and oftentimes involve minor children. So you found us on this page. Hopefully it gives you more information about our practice area in dog bite, dog attack cases, and you can learn more about us and get some of your questions answered. Let me talk a little bit more about this practice area and what you are potentially facing when you have a dog bite or attack case here in Atlanta, Georgia. These are difficult cases. Quite frankly, we believe these cases are always one that you need to reach out to a lawyer to talk about and figure out if you need representation at the very beginning. Why? There's two main reasons. The first is proving negligence or proving fault. And that's normally against the dog owner, obviously. And the reason for that is the standard rule in Georgia is a dog attack in and of itself is not necessarily negligence on the part of the dog owner. So it's not just there's an attack, negligence. No, you've got to prove the fault of the owner. And there's several ways to do that. For instance, if the dog is running loose, so they're violating ordinances and things like that, the owner probably has had that happen in the past, is not properly securing the animal on their property. Number two would be the dog has attacked before. So it's oftentimes called the one bite rule, that sort of thing. It's a little bit of a misnomer, but it is definitely easier to prove fault if this dog has bitten before and therefore is labeled vicious, and then in your situation has bitten again or attacked again. It doesn't necessarily have to be a bite. Another way is other ordinance violations. So not only leash laws, not only securing the animal, but other ways that can happen, whether it's been supposed to be quarantined, those sorts of things, and was not. So fault, negligence, always a big issue in these cases. That's why oftentimes investigation needs to be done immediately, involving a lawyer. Animal control needs to be called. You need to look at the background, vaccinations, and those things. The other is having an insurance company hopefully involved through the homeowner to compensate you for your injuries and your damages. That's very important because oftentimes this is all about insurance. So looking for insurance coverage is very, very important in these cases, especially when you have a very severe attack and therefore large injuries. And oftentimes homeowner policies, which is typically the first area you're looking at, they now have exclusions or they lower the limitations. We have seen insurance policies that otherwise would cover up to $300,000 or $500,000 in damages actually reduce that limit in a dog bite or attack case to $10,000. So we got to get to the bottom of those sorts of things as part of the overall case. These are the things that make dog bite, dog attack cases in Atlanta a little bit more difficult than other personal injury matters. But this is a very large area of our practice. We have had numerous cases involving dog bite and dog attacks. We are well experienced in it, and we would love to hear from you and learn more about your particular case and see if we might be a good fit for you to begin representation and jumping into that investigation. Again, thank you for visiting the website, considering my firm. We look forward to hearing from you.